Okay, here's a couple of trades that I took um, for today's Monday. So I'm in a European session. I made about $32 today in my challenge. So essentially, I took EG and EU today. I can clearly see after the fact that UJ and UC are red. Usually, UJ and UC are inversely correlated to EG and EU. EU, obviously, because it's on the other side right there. You see that? So I characterize this as I looked at this, and so I noticed that the price was moving towards here. Okay, the move's moving past here. And so what I decided to do was enter, expecting that the price will probably reach to this point here. Okay, and so I entered into it, and then price went up and it came back down, and then I noticed that it was still moving in the right direction, and so I added a quarter more lot. Okay, so if I doubled up on this, it could have been $60. Okay, it could have been $60. That could have been 130 right there. But I decided to limit my risk, and um, so essentially, I would call this a break and retest, essentially. But it is still within this range bound situation here. What made it good, what made it look attractive is that when I looked at the NASDAQ, it was very similar to like a range bound situation, but it's trending down, right? Um, then I looked at this as well. Okay, so what happens is I want to be on the front side, not on the back side. Okay, I don't want to be trading here. I don't want to be shorting here because I'm not very good. I'm not good at shorting. So what I want to do is I want to trade the front side. And so what I waited to do is essentially waited until the price was nearly here somewhere where it was above here. Because if the price is above this point here, if the price is above here, it's possible, even if it's up here, it's going to come back down. Okay, but if the price is above here, it means that the trend reversal is uh, stronger. Okay, it means that the price had moved past here, which means that the validity of a trend reversal is higher. And so what I was looking for is for the price to breach this area. As soon as it breached this area, I added, and then I sold early. Okay, I sold early. Okay, I made I only made a small amount because I made a bulk of it with the EU. I could have held and gotten a little more, but so essentially what I did was I waited until the price moved up here just to make sure that I had some assurance. Okay, so I missed most of the moves, but I made sure that my trade was stronger. Okay, so essentially those are the trades that I took. Okay, yep. So what would I say this is? I would say that um, I would say this is a because I was just thinking about this. Now this is a 10K challenge. Now this is $32. But if I was doing 100K, that would have been $320. I'm getting ahead of myself, but I mean that's the reality of the situation. So I'm trading small here. Uh, I passed the FTMO 10K um, free trial demo account. Okay, just today I was able to achieve. I think that was about a 1.5% gain. I think it was 1.5%. First I made 60, and then I made about 80. Yeah, about 1.5%. Okay, demo is easier because I don't have this pressure of like, oh man, I could lose. Yeah, so that's the trade recap for today. I look forward to. So the so it's currently about 4 o'clock, 3:42 a.m. So there will be some. So I may be able to take some trades on the Nasdaq based on what its behavior is. But if when I'm looking at here, it's on the backside. It's unfavorable for me because I'm not good at backside trading. Okay, I'm good at everybody's good at front side trading because all you do is you buy and hold. You just have to wait for the front side to appear. Okay, so here it's backside. It's backside, man. I can't make any money on it. See, this one's still about the front side, but it's actually taper. It's like consolidating in this area, right? It's consolidating this area right there, right there. And same with this guy right there. See that? Same with here. So it's consolidating in this area, but it's still trending up, which means that there's still a possibility that this is the front side and I could take profit from it. Now this one is range bound, it looks like, in this area right there. Clearly showing some range bound situation. If it breaks through here, it'll climb higher. So that's the way that I read it today. Okay, I'm looking forward to one day actually making money. That would be nice. That would be really nice. Gold is on the backside. See, gold is on the backside. So if I were to like think, okay, so it's going up, I get in here, I lose. I get in here, I lose. That's called the backside. Okay. But if I were to short, I would have made some money on it. See that now it's exhibiting a backside here. UJ is showing a range bound situation that's coming down. So that should be going up, which it is. So this could be, oh, this could actually go up to here. Yeah, this could possibly go up here based on what I'm reading from here. The strength of this decline is indicating that there is a strong possibility that this is going to go all the way up here. Okay, that's the way that I'm reading it. It's possible. I mean, it's possible. The price could move from here to here. Right? That's what I'm thinking. It's going to breach here and then go to there. That's what I'm thinking. But the Nasdaq is dropping, and Dow should also follow too. Yep, yep. So if somebody is bold enough, they could possibly do a short here and take advantage of this much right there. Okay, if somebody wants to do that, right? Gold is declining. Gold is going below. So it seems to me even oil is declining. So usually what that means is there is stability in the world. That's what it means. It means that there's some stability that's being established, like maybe Iran issue has finally been resolved and things like that, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's today's recap. And if I can only make myself consistent each and every day, just like today, a little bit bigger, I can do that.